Vivo has silently launched its new smartphone under Y series in Vietnam and in some selected global market as Vivo Y31d. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y31d features a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1250 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6S Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y31d sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f2.0 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.05 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7,200 mAh battery, with 44 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box, with Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.64 by 78.43 by 8.49 millimeters, and it weighs around 219 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y31d has been priced in Vietnam for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 7,680,000 Vietnamese dong, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 8,540,000 Vietnamese dong. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in elegant white and nebula black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y31d smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.